y'all. How you are doing on today? I hope you all are doing good. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I truly appreciate you. I'm playing with this wig today. I was sent from Yolissa Hair. Big thank you to Yolissa Hair for sending me out this unit. They sent me out their 613 blonde 13 by 4 frontal wig. Okay, I believe mine was in a 250% density and it was super thick, y'all, like super thick. It came with 3 combs, an adjustable band in the back, and then of course I showed you all the contents that came in the packaging. So with this wig, I wanted to go ahead and add roots this time around. I used a box dye from Dark and Lovely for my roots. So I just showed you all how I applied it. I used the edge brush comb to put the color on the root. For me, that's the easiest way. It's less messy. This method allows me to hardly get any color on the legs. Now, of course, I had a little oops here and there, like a little tiny oops here and there, but majority of my frontal did not stain at all. So the comb, using a comb is the easiest way for me to apply roots. So if you're having a hard time applying your roots, give it a try. The box dye that I used, the shade of brown that I had, I thought it was going to be a little lighter once it like finished processing and I washed it out, but it got darker, of course, as it processed. So it's okay, but next time I would try to find a different shade of brown to suffice for me. But yeah, y'all, after I added my roots, I let it sit for about 30 to 40 minutes and then I wash it out. Be careful when you're washing out the color because it didn't really stain it because at the end, it doesn't look like it, but I got scared that my some of my hair was going to get stained that brown color because you know, it's almost like when you're watercoloring your hair, you know, it just can stick to your hair. But just be careful when you're washing out your dye, especially when you're doing it on 613 or blonde hair. But thank God I didn't have any issues with mine. Natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. When washing my hair, I did shampoo my hair with a toner. I used the Ion Cool Blonde toner to tone my hair a little bit. I'm not sure if it worked. I really don't think it did. It maybe did it a tad, but I really don't think it did. But it was okay. Okay, so when I applied my wig, I noticed that the wig was a tad bit small for me. Now, I did request a medium cap size, which is equivalent to a 21.5 to a 22.5. My head size is a 22 inch. So yeah, around like the ear tabs area, I had to I used one side, like the left side, I put down, but the right side, I just had to tuck behind my ear because I could not get both of them to fit. And I even tried to go in and snip the sides, but that really didn't work either. So that's just a heads up. I would definitely if you're interested in this wig, I would definitely talk to the company or do research and check out other reviews to see if they had any issues with sizing for this wig. But for me, it was a tad bit small where I could not fit the whole wig on my head, so I had to like finesse it and make it do what it do, which was a bummer and made me sad. But it still looked good. Like really, you can't tell. It just looks like I'm missing a sideburn on the right. Okay. But yeah, of course, I applied my wig with the bedhead hard head spray. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the install process.
To get that no late weekdays tonight. She will be my alibi to keep the police off me. But that ain't right, that ain't right, that ain't right. But I'm there tonight. Who's best for me to see a lady? Unless she can be my A-N-G-L. Who's best for me to see a lady? Unless she can be my A-N-G-L.
Alright y'all, so I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you all enjoyed the style. Definitely leave me a comment down below if you like this style, would you try it on yourself, let me know. But for the hair again was super thick, y'all. Like it was so thick, and I freaking love it. When they said it was 250% density, it almost felt more than 250, but it was super thick. Okay, so it felt like 4 bundles was added to the wig, which was freaking awesome. The hair itself was really nice. Of course, with blonde hair, you do experience some shedding, but it is not terrible shedding. While washing the hair, it was very minimal shedding, and of course while styling the hair as well, it was very minimal shedding. So I do like their 613 hair. Yolissa hair normally hits it on the ball for me. The only downside to this wig for me was the sizing. That's it. But other than that, I love the wig. If you've tried this wig before or this company, please be sure to leave your experience down below for others to check out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. Love y'all so much. Bye.